Happy Friday. My name is Brad Fagergren. I'm a human resources consultant at stratus.hr in Sandy, Utah, and just wanted to talk a little bit today about separation agreements and non-disparage clauses that could be involved in that. Specifically, the topic is somebody saying, hey, my previous employer told me I wouldn't get severance unless I agreed to not disparage the company, and whether or not that's legal. And it is legal if it's agreed to by both the employee or former employee and the company. So typically these things are arranged in a separation agreement where a company offers severance in exchange for the employee or former employee to give some things back. So typically that involves asking the employee to not file claims against the company, or it could involve a non-disclosure or a non-disparagement clause. And so the employee in that situation does have the right to turn that down, not accept those conditions, or to try to renegotiate those conditions in exchange for the severance. The thought is that a severance amount is going to be enough of an amount that would compensate somebody for giving up those particular rights. So, for example, if an employer said, hey, I'll give you 1 week of severance, and in exchange, I'd like a non-disparagement agreement. I'd like you to forfeit your rights to make claims against the company. That may be something you'd say, well, I think that may be worth more than 1 week, or I'd like to negotiate that, or I won't agree to that. So, as always, if you have concerns about the termination of your separation of employment, there are remedies. You can go to the EEOC or the Department of Labor, and they can negotiate that or help investigate that for you. As a human resources person, we are involved in that process as well to help you if you have concerns about not signing a separation agreement. But one thing that I would keep in mind is that a separation agreement is very standard. It's typically it is going to go along with any kind of severance, and if you agree to the severance, then in most of these situations you are going to agree to certain terms as well. So if you agree to the terms of the separation agreement and are willing to take that in exchange for the severance, then that is completely legal. If you choose not to agree to that, then you are obviously not held to the conditions of the non-disparagement, but you may not be awarded a severance in exchange. So if you have any questions about this topic or terminations in general, severance, separation agreements, please give us a call over here at stratus.hr. We'll be happy to help you. Have a great weekend. Happy Friday.